excited about this month because we have three. We have the GlamBag, BoxyCharm IconBox. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. This month is all about the Beauty Olympics. So Ipsy is coaching you through the beauty basics with everyday makeup must-haves, transitional skincare to prep your fall glow, and healthy looking hair revivers worthy of gold medal. I love the little cards that they always put in the boxes. So we're gonna start off with the GlamBag. You get 5 deluxe samples. You're able to choose one product up to 70 bucks it's worth, and you pay 14 bucks a month, which is literally nothing, you guys. How cute is this makeup bag? And then we have a brush. Let's get into the brush first. So cute, isn't she? And it has like little diamonds there, rhinestones, my bad. And she's very soft. I'm just gonna start pulling out stuff, you guys. So this first product, oh my god, so this is new from Benefit. It's the Professional Mattified or Matte Primer. It mattifies your it's a mattifying primer to minimize the look of pores. I love little samples like this because you're able to try products, and look at how cute this is. You know how it's very in to have your little bag, take your little mini products. Literally, you can take this with you in the little bag. So that is super cute. The next product that I have in here is a Moon Flower Melon Super Hydra Serum. It has hyaluronic acid and melon extract. And then we have, what is this? The YC collection. Oh, it's a highlighter in Creamsicle. Such a beautiful shade. Look how gorgeous that is. And then, you guys, we have a full-size e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil. Look at how gorgeous that shade is. These are amazing. If you haven't tried these, definitely try them out. I'm so excited I have this shade. I cannot wait to wear this shade. If you guys want to see anything swatch, don't forget to follow me on TikTok, and I will be swatching things over there. I did a video about the July Ipsy, and I don't really think you guys liked when I was swatching things, so I'm just gonna keep going so I won't make this video any longer. But let me also tell you that there are 2 add-ons for this month, so you're able to add these 2 babies on. This is from John Legend's line. It's the Loved 01. This is an exfoliating cleanser. She's super cute. Has aloe vera, bamboo, rosehip, sea buckthorn. So there's a lot of great ingredients. And then we have this baby right here. This is Cravings from Chrissy Teigen. Doesn't that look delectable? I should have made these before I hopped on here so I could have ate them with you guys. But this is a chocolate chunk cookie mix. Definitely making these after this video. My mouth is salivating because look at how gorgeous that thing looks. It better come out the same, girl. So you're able to add those on this month. So again, if you want to be Ipsy besties, don't forget that you can find it in the description box below. Let's move on to the BoxyCharm. So this baby right here, it has 5 full-size products. You're able to choose 3 products. It's worth up to $200, and you pay 30 bucks a month, which honestly, you guys, 30 bucks a month, that's nothing compared to all the amazing things that you get in here. And then you also could try so many products. So that's why I love Ipsy. I know a lot of people that are obsessed with Ipsy, and I honestly know why. That's the little peek you're getting, and that's it, girl. You gotta wait so I could pull everything out. First product is this trio. So this is from Be Your Own Desire Beauty. It's 3 brushes. I actually own a lippy from this brand, and it's really cute. I really liked it. And now I have brushes from them, so I'm super excited about these. These feel amazing, you guys. I will definitely be using these. I like this. I feel like this is gonna be really good to apply like contour or bronzer. She's really cute. And then we have these also. This is gonna be perfect to like apply either your highlight, your blush, carve out different places, highlight. Since I have a huge lid, I could literally get in there, but these feel very soft. I'm super excited. I always love to receive brushes because we always need brushes. The next product is this Vacation Sunscreen. It's the Classic Lotion SPF 30. Don't forget to wear sunscreen, you guys. When you're older, if you don't do it, you're definitely going to be regretting it. Then we have the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I haven't been using mascara in such a long time. Last time I tried it, I didn't like it, but I'm going to give it a go once more because that tends to happen. We like something, but then we don't like it. You know what I mean? So I'm just being completely honest with you guys. I will definitely be trying this again. Then we have this product right here. This is from Love Craft Beauty. This is a retractable lip liner, and it also has a brush. Can we get into this beautiful blue? That blue is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's open this, you guys. I want to see. Look how pretty that is. This is such a beautiful shade. Let me swatch this. I definitely have to swatch this. I'm sorry, you know how much I love my lippy products. Well, this is very beautiful. Look how gorgeous. I like that shade. And then we have the brush on the side, on the other side. So you're able to like blend out the edges or blend it all over. It's really nice. I can't wait to try this actually on my lips and like do a little lip combo. Then we have this baby right here. So this is from Ofra X Hot Mama Mess. Mini Mix Palette Unconditional. Oh, that's her. I've never heard about her. Have you guys heard about her before? I don't know. I've never seen her before, but let's get into this palette. This is what she looks like. And, oh, it does not come with a mirror. That's surprising. Okay, so these are the shades. They're super cute. I mean, you have everything you need to create a makeup look, so that's pretty cool. And then you have a picture of her. Again, I don't know who that is, but these are absolutely gorgeous. I definitely want to use these to create a makeup look. I have to swatch something. Oh, that's really pretty. Let's put that right here. That's actually really nice, and I'm pretty sure that the bottom one is going to look similar to it. But yeah, you guys, now let's get into the icon box because I know a lot of you guys are waiting for that. So this is the iconic icon box. So this has 8 celebrity curated full-size products worth up to $350 and it's $60 quarterly. So can you guess who chose this box, you guys? Right here, John Legend and Chrissy Teigen. How cute is that picture? Isn't that a cute picture? So let's get into this box. I'm super excited. I love how they always pack everything in the icon box. I think it's really, really nice. So then the first product we got is from The Ordinary. It's the multi-peptide eye serum. I used this a very, very long time ago, and I can't remember if I liked it. I don't remember, but I'm gonna try it again. This is what she looks like. And I think this is the one that has caffeine, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember, but it's a multi-peptide eye serum. Definitely will be using it because I have to take care of my under eyes. And then I have the Reversal Lift and Fill Form Control Marine Collagen Gel from Kate Berkey. I've never heard of this brand. If you have, I'm sorry, I've never heard of it. But this is what she looks like. It comes with a pump, which I love. And I think this is glass. Yeah, this is definitely glass. She looks really pretty, so I cannot wait to try that. And then we have the Final Cut Frizz and Static Control Mist from Dry Bar. This is full size. I said I wasn't gonna try things on here, but I just can't help myself sometimes, you guys. Oh yeah, that definitely did something. I like how this smells. It smells so good. Ooh, okay. Anyways, the next product is from, I'm gonna butcher this, Femu. It's the Brilliant Cleansing Gel. I've never heard of this brand, but she seems pretty. Indulge in Flowers. I've never heard of this brand. It has camellia oil, helps skin barrier. This is what she looks like. A delicate yet concentrated foam gel designed to cleanse and replenish your skin's natural pH with vital nutrients and restorative botanicals. Ooh, okay, I'm definitely trying this. Definitely trying this. Have you guys used this brand? Let me know if you guys have used any of the brands that I've never heard of, because this is why I like Ipsy, because you could try a lot of brands that you've never heard of. So then we have Danessa Myricks Beauty Line Work. It's a painted paintbrush fluid eyeliner. Onyx, the shade Onyx. I'm excited for this, you guys. I love Danessa Myricks. Her stuff is top tier, top tier. And you know what's funny? The one that told me about Vanessa Myricks when she like barely found out was my sister. And it's funny because I like makeup more than her. Oh, it's literally like a brush. Can you guys see that? Can you see how it's like literally a brush? It's not like stiff how typically these come. Okay. Is this the type that you could like, oh yeah, the more you apply the darker it gets. Look at how gorgeous. I can't wait to try this. You already know, and if you haven't, or if you don't know, Vanessa Myricks products are really good. Top tier products. Then we have this Miss Skin Calming Moisturizer by Dr. Maram Zami. I've never heard of her. So it has a lot of good ingredients. It has root sage root, centella asiatica, or something like that. That's a really good product ingredient. And then we have amino acid blend prebiotic inulin advanced moisture complex. Ooh, this is really good for sensitive red prone skin. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, she's luxe, baby. Should we open it and see the texture? Yeah, why not? Okay. Oh, it's not super thick. You see? Let me grab some and put some on you guys. It's definitely really soft. And I didn't use a lot. Can you see that pretty glow that I left on my skin? I'm definitely going to be using this. Ooh, I cannot wait to use some of these things after this video, like before I go to bed and try some stuff out. I dropped something. Yes, I'm sorry. You know, it wouldn't be an Irma video if I didn't drop something. And then we have this. Oh, JLo Beauty. What? We have this JLo Beauty Beso Balm Ultra Hydrating Lip Mask. Have you guys used anything from JLo? Because I haven't. I'm not gonna lie, it's not a brand that I really look for because I have so many brands that I like. But again, this is why I like Ipsy, because you're able to try different products. So that looks really pretty. I bet it's gonna be like very like shiny on the lips, kind of like a lip oil, I feel. But she's cute and she's small, which I like. Then, okay, if I'm not mistaken, this is the last product. El Maquillage. I don't know anything from El Maquillage. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the Color Boss Master Palette. 8 multi-dimensional eye colors. Whoa. I hate that you could get your fingers on this. I haven't even showed you, but look at how pretty. But then all those fingerprints. It's okay though, because what matters is... Whoa. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Well, what matters is what's inside. And these are the shadows, you guys. I feel like this palette is really good for like fall, winter time. So I really want to use this. And then the Over palette that I got, these are very beautiful. And I can only imagine how beautiful these are going to look when they're wet. Like these and these. They look really gorgeous. That's it, you guys. That's all I got in my icon box, in my BoxyCharm, and in the GlamBag. Again, if you want to be Ipsy besties, I will leave it down there. Also, if you're already in Ipsy, don't forget to add the add-ons. You could do these additionally. I am going to go make these cookies. Thank you very much. And this, I'm very intrigued by it. It sounds really good. So it's vegan and cruelty free. So if you want to try Loved 01, you could add this, and then you could also add the Cravings from Christy Teigen. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm almost at the 1,000 followers, so that's very fun and exciting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.